Oh, hi there. I'll say Happy New Year. It's not that happy a New Year, but because we've gone into full lockdown again in the UK, which means no boating, no movements again. But Janet and I have made a big decision. We've decided that we're going to join Patreon, and we've set up a Patreon page. That's not saying that we want you to pay to view our videos. No, they're free of charge on YouTube and will remain so. YouTube itself doesn't give us anything. The rules around monetarisation on YouTube are so strict these days that creators like ourselves don't get a penny out of them. We just do it for the fun of it. But we've set the Patreon page up, and if you want to contribute a little bit, there should be a link around here. That's really our beer fund. We've set 3 tiers up. Buy a beer, buy a pink gin, that's for Janet, and crack and rum, that's my tipple. But we both drink beer, and you know, if it's a beer, it's a beer. So, I hope you do continue to enjoy our videos. Please do subscribe if you're not a subscriber. That does help us and brings us up the ranking within YouTube. And I would say, those of you that do subscribe, thank you for your continued support. So, it's New Year's Eve, the end of 2020. Beautiful crisp morning. We've got frost on the deck. I think near the board's cracking as I walk. But more than that, I don't know whether the camera will pick this up or not, but we've actually got ice starting to form in the marina, and this is brackish water, so that was a cold one. And the foredeck, I don't want to be walking out on there today, not this morning. It is coated in ice. There we have Bondi Star doing a bit of ice breaking. They're heading out on the training session. Bondi Star is part of the Nautical Circle training vessel. They're part of the IYA training programme. Well, is it a boat on fire? Oh no, it's Al, it's Sea Queen.